until 9 p.m. Has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Spalding County in west central Georgia, Fayette County in north central Georgia, Meriwether County in west central Georgia, Pike County in west central Georgia, southwestern Henry County in north central Georgia, Upson County in west central Georgia, Coweta County in west central Georgia, southern Clayton County in north central Georgia, Talbot County in west central Georgia, eastern Harris County in west central Georgia, western Lamar County in west central Georgia, until 6:15 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. At 5:28 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Dunaway Gardens to near Leathersville to near Warm Springs to near Eupatoy, moving east at 55 miles per hour.
Jesus fucking
Hazard,
Christ.
60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Griffin, Fayetteville, Thomaston, Barnesville, Jonesboro, Seaport, Talbot, Greenville, Peachtree City, Stockbridge, Hampton,
Oh shit.
Manchester, Sonoy, Granville, Woodbury, Leathersville.
That's gonna be loud. Do not knock out my power, damn it.
Eastern Standard Time for north central, northwestern, and west central Georgia. This is a dangerous situation. These storms are producing widespread wind damage across portions of west central Georgia. Seek shelter now inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.